Nearly crashed your car after seeing your first insurance quote? That's because the insurance industry has one setting for beginners: guilty until proven boring. Even if you're an older, middle-aged driver, new drivers pay significantly more than experienced ones. We're talking $200, $300 a month. In this economy?
What? That's highway robbery. I won't pay it.
As a licensed insurance provider, I've spent over 5 years analyzing the market and seeing how the proverbial car insurance sausage is made. It's not pretty.
What is this? We're making sausages.
So in this video, I'll walk you through the 5 proven ways to lower your car insurance premium, the car insurance discounts that new drivers often miss, and stick around to the end while I'll reveal the 5 cheapest car insurance companies for new drivers. Buckle up, Buttercup.
Buttercup. Ha!
But first, you might be wondering why car insurance companies charge more for new drivers. Well, insurance companies see the term new driver and think you're about to Tokyo drift into a telephone pole. It doesn't matter your age, it's years of experience. New driver equals higher rates. But we do know that not all new drivers are the same. Maybe you're a 21-year-old living at home or a college student away from home with many years of driving experience. Well, you're young, you're going to pay higher rates.
Okay, we are cooked.
If you're an older driver in your 30s and 40s, you might not get hit by an age penalty, but you'll be hit by an inexperience penalty. Higher risk equals higher rates.
It is what it is.
The good news is I've got 5 proven strategies to lower your car insurance premium regardless of your experience. First, get on a family policy. If you're under 25, this is your cheapest option. Now keep in mind that you're going to be on a policy collectively with your parents, so they have to be willing to split that cost or have you pay them. And if you're older, marrying and living with someone with more experience and a better driving record than you can also help. And you might be eligible for multi-car or multi-policy discounts too, so keep an eye on that. Second, shop around like a maniac. Check multiple insurers, at least 3. These car insurance companies have their own kind of proprietary calculations, and some might charge new drivers more than others in your given location. So shop around and make sure you find the best quote for you and for where you live. 3, drive a boring car. So one cheaper insurance, don't roll up in a sports car.
What do you got there?
This is your car.
My car?
An old used Toyota Camry or Subaru Outback practically screams, "I'm boring, save me money on insurance." 4, mind your credit score. I know this one is tough because you can't change it overnight, but credit score is hugely influential in how much your car insurance rates are going to cost. Insurers think of it as another way of you being risky. So if you can pay your bills on time, stick within your budget, and you improve that credit score, over time, your car insurance rates are going to lower, and you can make differences in 6 months to a year. 5, hunt down insurance discounts. Insurance discounts are like tiny little life rafts in an ocean of overcharged premiums, but you get enough of them together and you won't drown. So repeat after me. Car insurance discounts are like Pokemon. You gotta catch them all.
You love Pokemon.
No.
And if you're thinking, Mark, that's 2 analogies and 1 tip. Who are you? Mrs. Castle from 6th grade English? I can write what I want. But here's the catch with discounts. You can only get what you qualify for, obviously. So as a new driver, you can't get a safe driver discount or a loyalty discount. But what can you qualify for? Let's dig into it. Let's talk about the sneaky discounts new drivers don't know to look for. We're talking good student discounts or even airbag discounts can save you up to 20%. Geico gives you a 23% discount for airbags, which shouldn't those safety features just be standard?
Pray for the airbag.
I don't know. Whatever. Take the discount. First, as I say, good student discount. Insurers will literally give you 5 to 20% off if you keep a B average. So hit the books. This is good, especially for drivers who are teens or in college. Second, bundle it. Everyone knows about the home and auto insurance bundle, but it really does save you a lot of money, potentially 20% on the 2 policies. But if you don't own a home, if you're a renter, there are car and renter's insurance discounts. Next, defensive driver courses. State-approved defensive driver courses can shave another 5 to 10% off your premium. Plus, you learn not to hit things. It's a win-win.
May you drive safely.
Pay in full discount. Typically, car insurance policies are 6 months long. If you pay that entire 6 months up front, you can save 5%, say. Low mileage discount. If you're driving less than 7,500 miles a year, you could get a discount for the fact that you don't use your car that often. Now, make sure that you actually prove this with your insurer. Don't just say it in the form and forget about it. Green car insurance discount. If you're driving a hybrid or electric car, an insurer could save you another 5 to 10% on your policy, saving your wallet and the planet. So yeah, stack every discount you can find, but wouldn't it be easier if you just went with the company that charged the least in the first place? Stay with me because I'm going to reveal the cheapest car insurance companies specifically for new drivers. Alright, you've waited. Who are the actual cheapest car insurance companies for new drivers in 2025? Let's count down the top 5. At 5 is Amica. This company is not only affordable, it also has a great customer service rating. It just might not be available in every state. 4. State Farm. And this company is actually the cheapest for drivers with international license. So if you're new, as in new to American driving, check out State Farm. 3 is Geico. We all know the 15 minutes and 50% or more thing, but the fact is, on average, Geico generally is pretty cheap. Second is National General, and if you want just minimum liability instead of full coverage, this one is the cheapest of them all. And finally, the number one major insurer that's cheapest for new drivers is Travelers, coming in at about $230 a year for a full coverage policy. Travelers is also the cheapest insurer in 9 states, including Florida and Pennsylvania. But remember, Travelers is your winner among the major insurers nationally. But we always say at Money Geek, there are all these regional insurers that might be in 5, 6, 7, 8 states that can be really cheap options. You're talking less than $200 a month. An example might be auto owner's insurance. So make sure you shop around in your specific state and look at those smaller regional companies that don't have the big brand cachet of a Travelers or a Geico. So new driver, higher rates, that's the game. But you're not powerless. You can take steps to make a difference. Get on a family policy. Compare insurers religiously. Look for all the discounts. Drive a boring car. And over time, improve that credit score if you have to. And remember, the longer you stay accident-free, that experience will start building up. If you're an older driver, you'll see your rates drop dramatically after a couple of years' experience. Now it's your turn. Shop around, see how much you can cut from your rates, and drop a comment below if you find a company that has rates that are really cheap for you. Let's crowdsource this strategy. And if you want more based advice from a certified rate rizzler trying to make sense of an industry that doesn't make sense, hit the subscribe button below.